So we're in the shop here looking at servicing one of our powered top hand units. The way we handle service, we'd like to have it to where we can service our customers easily from the factory by simply swapping out the components that make up each one of our systems. This guy right here, you have the motors that control your powered slides and your oscillator, and the wires that connect them. That runs back through the center of this post, comes out right here. This 8-pin plug right here is the motor wire for the X and Z axis slides. You also have in that system, you have the module control boxes. The larger one here on the bottom is for your powered slides. This one right here is for your oscillator. We have isolated all the items that we feel like are most likely to give us problems in these mod boxes that can be easily swapped out in the field in 5 minutes and get you back up and running. So in each one of these systems, like in the powered case, this case the powered slides, you have your power supply. You're going to have a dropper that supplies power. You're going to have the lead that is your input. That comes in this case from your D-pad controller. That is going to supply the inputs for this box, and then you're going to have the connections for your motor wires. So if you were to need to service this unit, we can overnight you this box that has the microcontroller in it, it has the motor drivers in it, all the electronics are inside that box, can be swapped out by taking 4 bolts out. Then you would, in this case, plug and play your power to the box. You would plug and play your motor connections, and you would plug and play your inputs connector for the box. That simply, inside 5 minutes, we can swap that mod out, get you back up and running. Also note that the highest use wear item on this unit is this switch set that is inside of our D-pad controller. We have on a PCB board that switch set that actually sits right inside that controller and plugs into that lead right there with a 6-prong connector. So we can swap out those switch sets real quick and easy, because those buttons, you're on them all day, every day, up, down, left, right, and rapid. So we can swap out our switch set on the lead, as long as the wires aren't damaged. Most all of your problems are going to be inside this box or right here, and they can both be serviced really quickly and easily in the field, taking care of your ArcBoss unit and getting it back up and running.